Okay, in that chapter algebraic expression, the next concept is addition of algebraic expression and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Where in earlier classes we have to learn how to add and subtract the algebraic expressions. Then addition of algebraic expressions, then adding the like terms, here for example 3x plus 4x plus 5x. Okay, then adding the like terms. Okay, then unlike terms cannot be added. Or like terms, only like terms can be added. Here 3x, 4x, 5x are the like terms. Here the like terms are with the same variable with the same exponent. Okay, same variable x, and the power of the variables 1, 1, 1. Then these are the like terms. Okay, then first we add the coefficients of the variables. Numerical constant. Then what are the numerical constants? Here 3. Then while adding the like terms, okay, while adding the like terms, in the first we add coefficients of the variables. Here the coefficient, the constant coefficients, here the constant terms 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 plus 5. Here x. Okay, here 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. It means 12x. 3x plus 4x plus 5x is 12x. Okay, then first one, only the like terms can be added, then unlike terms cannot be added. Then if we add like terms, first we add the constant terms. Okay, only add a constant term. Okay, 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. Then x is a variable. Then the 3x plus 4x plus 5x are the like terms. Then this method is horizontal method. Then the vertical method. Here the vertical method, the write the like terms. Now here 3x, 4x and 5x is here the x. Okay, only add a constant terms. Here the 12x. Okay, then next take an example. Here 3x square plus 4y plus 4x square, okay, plus 2y. Then first we find out the like terms. What are the like terms? 3x square. Like term is the same variable with the same power. Here 3x square, here the variable is x, here the variable is x, here the power of the variable is 2, here the power of the variable is 2. Okay, 3x square plus 4x square. Okay, only observe the variables and powers. The powers of the variables. Here 4y, here the variable y, here the variable is y. Then these two are the like terms. 4y plus 2y. 4y plus 2y. Here 3x square. Okay, we will add the constant terms. Here 3 plus 4, 7x square. 7x square plus 4 plus 2, 6y. And this is the answer of this expression. Okay, and this is the addition of algebraic expression. Then this is horizontal. Then this is a horizontal method. Then the vertical method. Here, for example, 2x square plus 3y. Okay, for x square plus 2x square plus 3y and 4y plus 3x square. 4y plus 3x, 4, take 4. Okay, x raised to 4 and x raised to 4. Then add these two expressions, okay, by using a vertical method. Here first write the expression, okay, then below the other, one below the other, 2x4 plus 3y. 2x4 plus 3y. For example, here 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Then in addition, adding the expression in any order, the answer will get a same value. Okay. Then 4y, then we arrange the terms. Here the first term is then x raised to 4. Then here when it is x raised to 4, 3x raised to 4. 3x raised to 4. 3x raised to 4. Here the plus 4y. Okay. Here 3 only, then adding only like terms can be added, unlike terms cannot be added. Here 3y plus 4y is 7y. Okay. The adding only the coefficient, numerical coefficients of variables. Here the numerical coefficients of 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7y. Here x raised to 4 is as it is, and 2 plus 3 is 5. 5x raised to 4 plus 7y. Then this is the answer of this expression. Okay. And this is addition of algebraic expression. This is horizontal method, and this is vertical method. Okay. The next one is the subtraction of algebraic expression. Take an example. Here 3x square plus 4y square plus 3z plus 3z. Then subtract this expression from from 9x square plus 2y square minus 3 minus 5z. Then these two are algebraic expressions. The subtract 3x square plus 4y square plus 3z from 9x square plus 2y square minus 5z. Okay. Then first write the second expression, 9x square plus 2y square minus 5z. Then subtract. Okay. Write this first expression in the bracket, 3x square plus 4y plus 3z. Subtract the first expression from second expression. Then first we write the first expression. Okay. Then here subtract the first expression. Subtract the first expression from the second expression. Here the second expression is 9x square plus 2y square minus 5z. Subtract 3x square plus 4y plus 3z. Here 9x square plus 2y square minus 5z. Okay. Then multiply the sign into whole bracket. Here there is no symbol, means here plus into minus 3x square minus 3x square. Next one, here plus into minus 4y minus 4y plus minus 3z. Okay, the multiplication of two integers, the multiplication of two values is a multiplication. The multiplication, the product of two negative integer is negative. Here the product of positive and negative is negative. Okay, here the positive, positive, positive. The product of a positive and negative integer is negative. Here 9x first, then here 9x square. Okay, then first write the like terms. Okay, then rearrange the terms. Here the 9x square, 3x square is a like terms. Okay, then write with the sign x square, 9x square minus 3x square. Next one is 2y square, 2y square. Next here 4y square minus 4y square, minus 4y square plus 2y square. First one is 9x square minus 3x square, because the 9x square and the 3x square are the like term. Only the like terms can be added or subtracted. The unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. Here the 5z minus 3z, minus 3z. X square, y square, y square, z and z. These are the like terms. Here the subtraction. Here the sign is subtraction. Okay, here the sign is subtraction. Here the sign is subtraction. Okay, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Okay, the 9 minus 3 is 6. Then as it is x square. 6x square. Okay, the next one plus 2y square minus 5 square. Here then the difference, the sum of positive and negative integer, the sum of positive and negative integer is the depends upon the sign is depends upon the bigger value. Okay, here the positive and negative, the sum of the positive and negative integer is negative. The sum of the here the sum of the positive and negative integer is negative. Sum of the positive integer and negative integer is negative. Then the absolutely the sign of the answer, the sign of the answer is negative. Then the sign of the here, the value of the sign of the bigger value. Okay, sign of the bigger value is negative. The sign of the bigger value is negative. Here the positive, the sum of the positive and negative integer is positive. Okay, the sum of the positive and negative integer, the sum of the positive and negative integer is negative. Here the sign of the bigger value is negative. The sign of the bigger value is negative. When the sign of the sum of the positive and negative integer, the sum of the positive and negative integer is positive, when the bigger value sign is positive. When the bigger value sign is positive. Okay, here the sum of the positive and negative integer, the sum of the positive and negative integer, here the different sign is subtraction. Here the sign is minus, because the bigger value sign is negative. Okay, 4 minus 2 is 2y square. 2y square. The sum of the positive and negative integer is negative. Then the bigger value, when the bigger value sign is negative. The sum of the positive and negative integer is positive. When the bigger value sign is positive. Here the bigger value sign is negative. The answer sign is negative. Then when the bigger value sign is positive, the answer sign is positive. Only the subtract, the addition of negative and positive integer. Here 4 minus 2 is 2. Then sign of the bigger value is negative. Here the minus 5z and minus 3z. The sum of the negative, the sum of the positive, two positive integer is positive. The sum of the two negative integer is negative. Here the sum is 8. The sum of the two negative integer is negative. The sum of the two negative integer is negative. 5 plus 3, 8z. And this is the answer of this expressions. Okay. And this is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. And this is horizontal method. So take vertical method, 9x square plus 2y square minus 5z. Okay, subtraction here, 3x square plus 4y square plus 3z. Okay, subtract these two expression from second to 1. Okay, 9x square. Here 5. Here the different sign. Here the sign is the sum of the positive and negative integer or negative and positive integer. The sum of the positive and negative integer. Here 5. Addition, subtraction. Okay, subtraction the sign will be changed, minus. Okay, minus. Here 9 minus 3. Here the positive is positive. Here the positive is negative. Here the positive is negative. Here the positive is negative. Okay, the sign will be changed. Okay, then 9 minus 3, 6x square. Here 2. Here the negative. Then here the sign, the minus 4y square. Here the operation is subtraction. The sign will be changed. Okay. Here the positive change into negative. Here the positive change into negative. Here the positive change into negative. Because here the negative, the change into positive. Okay. Here the sign is positive, change into negative. Here minus 3x square minus 4y square minus 3z. Here 9 minus 3, 6x square. Here 2. Here the negative and positive. The sum of the negative and positive integer is negative. The answer, the bigger value sign is negative. Here the bigger value sign is negative, not a positive. Here the bigger value sign is negative. The answer is negative. 4 minus 2 is 2y square. Here the both are the sum of two negative integer is negative. 3 plus 4. 5 plus 3 is 8z. And this is a horizontal method of subtraction, and this is a vertical method of subtraction. Okay, good morning students. In yesterday's class we have discussed about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, and today we are going to solve the exercise 6.1. Here we identify the terms and the coefficients for each of the following expressions. Okay, the term is a single variable or single constant or combination of variable and constant. Okay, here the first one is 5x square 5xy z square minus 3zy. Okay, here the multiplication and division do not separate the terms, but addition and subtraction they separate the terms. Here the sign is subtraction. It means they separate the terms. Here this is one term 5x y z square, first term, and the second term is minus 3zy. Okay, then the coefficient, the numerical coefficients are 5 and minus 3. 5 and minus 3. Or the little coefficient. The little coefficient of 5x is yz square. Little coefficient of y is xz square. Then little coefficient of 3z is y. Okay. Then little coefficient of 3y is z. Okay. Then these are the literal coefficients. Okay. The only numerical coefficients 5 and minus 3. Then take second one. The terms 1, 2, 3, the 3 terms. Okay, here the addition, separate the terms. Here 1 x and x square. Okay, then write the coefficients of 1. The coefficient of 1 Okay. Then x, here when there is a no number means positive 1. Here when there is no number means the positive 1. Okay. These are the numerical coefficients. Next one, the terms. Here the sign negative and positive. So these are in this expression the total 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. Write the terms 4 x square y square. The second one is with the sign, okay, minus 4x square y square z square. Here the last one is z square. These are the terms. Then the numerical coefficients. Here the plus 4, here minus 4. Then there is no number means plus 1. These are the numerical coefficients. Then the fourth one, here the right terms 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Here 3 minus PQ and QR and minus RP. The right coefficient, numerical coefficient is 3, minus 8, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. Okay. Then fifth one, here is y2. Here the x by 2, y by 2 and minus x1. Then these are the terms. The next 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and minus 1. Then these are the numerical coefficients. Then last one, here the right terms 0.38 minus 0.6AB plus 0.5b. 0.5. Then one term, second term and third term. Here the sign subtraction and addition. Then separate the terms. Then write the numerical coefficient 0.3 minus 0.6 and plus 0.5. Okay. And these are the terms and coefficients of these expressions. Okay. And this is the first question. Here the exercise 6.1. The third question. Add the following. Add the followings. Okay. The first one. Okay. Addition of algebraic expression. Here the first one. AB minus BC. This is the first. This means the two terms means binomial addition. Add BC minus CA. BC minus CA. Second expression. Then third expression CA minus AB. CA minus AB. Okay. Then this is the horizontal method of addition of algebraic expression. Yeah. Then AB. Then AB minus BC. Here multiply the sign to whole bracket. Plus into plus, plus BC, plus into minus, minus CA. Then plus into plus, plus CA, plus into minus, minus AB, minus AB. Okay. Here the find the like terms. Here plus AB, AB minus AB, minus BC, plus BC, minus CA, plus CA, minus CA, plus CA. Okay. AB minus AB, 0, plus AB minus AB, BC plus BC minus BC, minus CA, CA. The answer is 0. Okay. Then second question. Here. Then first write the expression in bracket. Plus AB plus of the second expression B minus C plus BC. The third expression C minus A plus AC. C minus A plus AC. Here A minus B plus AB. First multiply the sign to whole bracket, plus B plus into minus, minus C plus into plus into plus BC. Okay. Then third, then plus into plus C plus into minus, minus A plus into plus AC. Okay. Then the like terms here, plus A minus A. Okay, A minus A. Then the second B plus B. Okay, third one plus AB plus AB. Okay, then B, then C, B written, then minus C, then plus C, BC plus BC. Okay, don't write this one here. Plus A minus A get cancelled, minus B plus B get cancelled, minus C plus C get cancelled. Here the remaining AB, BC and AC. Your answer is AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, this is answer of second question. Here the third question, 2pq square, the right bracket, right expressions in bracket, 2p square, q square minus 3pq plus 4, addition, okay, operation is addition, 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square, 3p square q square. Okay, here 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 plus 4. Here the multiply the sign to whole bracket, plus into plus 5 plus into plus 7pq, then plus into minus 3p square q square. Okay. Here the next like terms. Here the like terms is the same variable with the same exponent. Here the pq square q square, pq square q square. Okay. Here 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. Okay. Next term 3pq pq plus 7pq. Okay, here the constants 4 plus 5 is 9. Then here the plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 p square q square. Okay, here the sign is negative and positive, the sum of a negative and positive. Then here the bigger value sign is positive. Here the operation is subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4pq plus 9. 4pq plus 9. Here the right expression right in a bracket. Here the plus. Then multiply the sign to whole bracket. Plus into plus into plus 7pq plus into minus 3p square. Here the like terms pq square, here the pq square. Here write 2pq square minus 3pq square means minus 1p square q square. Then do minus 3pq plus 7pq. Here 4pq. Okay, plus 9. Then the next one, fourth one, you write in a bracket. L square plus m square. Okay. Then second expression plus of n square plus n square. Okay. Then plus of n square plus l square. N square plus l square. Then next plus of 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NN. 2NN. Okay? Here L square plus M square plus M square plus N square plus N square plus L square. Okay? Plus into plus plus N square plus into plus plus L square plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. 2NL. Okay? Here L square plus L square, like terms. L square plus L square, 2L square, 2L square. M square plus M square, 2M square. N square plus N square, 2N square plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NN. And these are the unlike terms. 2LM, 2MN, 2NL are the unlike terms. The writer 2LM, 2. Okay, the 2 as a common. 2. Take the 2 as a common. Okay, L square plus M square plus N square plus LM plus MN plus NN. Okay, this is the answer for this question. In that exercise 6.1, the fourth question. The subnet, the subtract 4a minus 7b plus 3. The subtraction of algebraic expressions with the 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9b plus 5b minus 3. To subtract from the first expression subtracted from the second expression. Okay, write the first expression. The first expression subtracted from the second expression. Then first we have to write the first expression 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay, the operation is subtraction. From the first expression 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 3b plus 12 plus 12. Okay, subtract the first expression from second expression. Okay, here 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Then multiply the second expression. Okay, first expression by negative sign. Here the minus, plus into minus, minus 4a, minus into minus, plus 7ab, minus into plus, minus 3b, minus into plus, minus 12. Okay, here the like terms here 12a and 4a. 12a and 4a. Here the 12a minus 4a. Okay, then the second term 9ab. Here ab. Here 9ab plus 7ab. Okay, next 5b and 3b. 5b and 3b are like terms because here the variable, the same variable with the same exponent. Okay, then plus 5b minus 3b. Here the constant terms minus 3 and minus 12. Minus 3 and minus 12. Okay, the 12a minus 4a means 8a. Okay, next Here the negative sign and the positive, the sum of positive and negative sign, the sign will be depends upon the bigger value. Minus 9, 9 minus 7, 2ab, 2ab. Okay. Next, plus 5 and minus 3, plus 5 minus 3, plus 2. Here the bigger value sign is plus 2b minus the sum of negative. The sum of two negative integer is negative. Okay, 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, and this is answer. Then the second question, in that B, the subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay, here the first expression, to subtract the first expression from second expression. Okay, then first write the second expression, 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz, 10xyz minus, here the operation is subtraction, minus, then write the first expression, 3xy plus 5yz, okay, 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx, minus 7zx, okay, 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz plus 10xyz minus, plus into minus, minus 3xy plus into minus, minus 5yz minus into minus plus, plus 7zx, plus 7zx. Okay, here the like terms, xy, 5xy and 3xy minus 3xy. Okay, the next minus 2yz, then yz, here yz minus 5yz, minus 5yz. Next term is minus 2zx, minus 2zx. Here zx term, here zx plus 7zx. Okay, the next one is xyz plus 10xyz. Okay, so this is unlike term, 10xyz. Okay, then the write separately. Here 5 minus 3, 2xy. Okay, the subtract only numerical coefficients. Okay, then minus the sum of two negative integer is negative. 2 plus 5, 7yz, 7yz. Next, here minus the sum of negative and positive integer is positive. The bigger value sign is positive, means positive. The 7 minus 2 is 5zx, 5zx. Then unlike term 10xyz, 10xyz, and this is food. In that food, the P. Okay. Then an exercise 6.1, the fourth question. Then C, the subtract, the third question, the subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5p q square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from the second expression. Okay, then from means the first write the second expression. Okay, first write the second expression, 8p minus 3p 11q plus 5pq square minus 2p q square plus 5p square q plus 5p square q. The operation is subtraction. Okay, operation is subtraction. Here the second write the first expression, 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square. Okay, 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. Minus 10. Okay. The next 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q minus, here plus into minus, minus 4p square q minus into minus plus 3pq. Okay. Next minus into plus, minus into plus, minus 5p q square, 5p square, here minus into minus, minus into minus plus 8p, plus 8p here, plus into minus, minus 7q here, minus into minus, minus into minus, minus plus, minus into minus plus 10. Okay, here the first expression, 5pq square. Next minus, plus into minus, minus 4p square q minus into minus plus 3pq minus into plus minus 5pq square. Next minus into minus, minus into minus plus 8p, plus 8p. Next minus into plus minus 7q. Okay, then last expression is minus, minus into minus plus 10. Okay, multiply the sign to whole bracket. Next, we find the like terms and unlike terms. Here, first constant terms 18. Next, here plus 10, plus 10. Okay, the next minus 3p, then p here plus 8p, the next minus 11q, then q minus 7q, next plus 5pq, the pq here plus 3pq, okay, the next term minus 2pq square, then pq square, like terms, pq square minus 5pq square. The next plus 5p square q, plus 5p square q, okay, p square q minus 4p square q. Okay, here the constant term 18 and 10. Next term is minus 3p, then 3p, then the 8p, like terms. Then 11q and 7q, like terms. Then 5pq and 3pq, like terms. And pq square and pq square, like terms. Okay, only then like terms can be added. Okay, next 18 plus 10, 28, minus, here the sum of a positive and negative integer. The bigger value sign is positive. 8 minus 3 is 5p. Next, sum of a negative integer is negative. 11 plus 7 is 18q. 5 plus 3, 8pq. Next, minus, sum of a negative is negative. 2, 7, 7pq square. Here, minus 2 minus 5, minus 7pq square. Next, plus the sum of a negative and positive integer. Here the bigger value sign is 5. Okay, sign is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 means pq cube. P square cube. Okay. 18 plus 10 is 20. 3 8 is 5p, and 11 and 7. So both are a negative integer. Then the sum of a negative integer is negative. Negative integer is negative. So 11 plus 7 is 18 cube. Next 5p cube and 5p cube and plus 3p cube. 5 plus 3, 8p cube. Next minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 7p q square. Next last one plus p square cube and 4p square cube. Both are the one is positive integer and the one is negative integer. The sum of a positive and negative integer, here the positive, then a bigger value sign is positive, and 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 means p square cube. Okay, and this is 6.1.